look like I'm drawing a triangle, but actually it's just like a Christmas tree. So we're seeing it. We are going to I'm gonna try to draw it like just like really good, precise if possible. That's why I drop couple drop out on the plate. So then we're gonna using twin tip brush. You can see that I just want to do like it looks like a shape of the tree on top. And here my pre-seasoned liner brush from the twin tip brush. I love this. It's really convenient and it just such a versatile I can using on the other end. And here is a premium eye chan before I just drop it earlier. And then I'm gonna just give it a really good kind of a fun precise drawing. Maybe I'm gonna get all the way up there. You don't have to be really perfect. I just want to get the all the way up here. And this part is covered with the foil already. All right, so I'm go ahead and adhere for 30 seconds. I think I got it covered good. If you see that the matte part here, but I just want it to look like it's kind of the arrows. So okay, here for is can I get my foil? Here for 30 seconds. All right, and then what should we do? Light green or?
Yes, you already did that then. Just do light.
Light green. I love this. So hollow. So it shows sparkles. All right, so I'm gonna get a good piece of it, and then put it back. Put it back. Thank you. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a full cover on it. Give it a good rub. Ready? All right, it's still really nice and warm. It's great rubbing in. I'm loving it. If you miss any spot, don't worry, just like laying it back up. But it looks really good right now. So you can clean it with the alcohol. But you can have like an ideas of what I'm gonna do, right? If you have a little bit of, that's the reason why I said we'll have to top coat, either matte top coat or shiny, so because you don't want any residues of the foil sticking on the nail, so I don't have it now. So now what I'm gonna do is to top coat everything because I'm gonna show you some cue of sugaring. So I'm gonna top coat with the either way is gonna be shiny, but I think in this one I'm gonna do it like a shiny is right in this part. So I'm gonna do it shiny on this one. Apply shiny top coat. You can leave the other part to be matte. It like white matte if you want to. But top coat shiny already because I want this to be really nice and shiny. And cure for 30 seconds. Liking. Okay, good. Is everybody good?
We might have to restart the stream.
Just turn off this notification on this one. All right. I'm so sorry with Instagram. We're gonna be right back, okay? Share it. Hold on.
Yeah.
No.
Well, anyway.
Go back into. No, it's okay.